Okay, just a quick check-in for today. I just dropped my kids off to school, but I tried to install the crimping Anderson's connectors, accidentally put the wrong way and basically blew up a 12 volts item, which I had to replace. And then came home, recorded something for the Deep Dive second anniversary special with Alana Cameron with New Nurture, so she's going to be on there. And I'm just about to jump on a webinar, basically with Gian Ashby's group. It's basically called You Don't Need More Strategy. So I'm just waiting to basically sort of jump on now. So hopefully, and we've got the OT session today, so hopefully I won't be dysregulated. I'll see you soon.